out of the blue corner, wearing white and weighing 117 pounds, professional record, 1 win. From LA Boxing Gym of Malabon, ladies and gentlemen, Edmond Rebonia. And he's on across the ring, fighting out of the right corner, wearing black, weighing 118 pounds, professional record with 1 win, 1 knockout, and 1 bout even. From the Olympic Fight Team, Paranaque City, ladies and gentlemen, Vance Gabriel Silo.
First round. Go, Mike, go. Nakakabig sa akin. May makita mo sa huwag kay loob. Sa loob. Hulugan mo sa loob. Sa loob, hulugan mo. Pag pumasok siya, loob. Sa loob. Bam! Sige, sa loob pa. Hulugan mo loob, Mark. Yan. Bigay mo sa kanya round 1, natin lang sunod. Salubungin mo ng straight, ha? Wala mo straight mo. Isa, sarado. Oh! Sige. Bam! Sige.